I can't imagine having as much success as I've had without using Soberlink. They were tremendous. Financially, the impact on my life was devastating. I literally lost everything I own. Automobile accidents, estrangement from my children. It was the worst period of my life. My self-esteem was non-existent. It was like living down in a deep, dark hole. Part of it was doing it for myself, but also I had fallen in love with my wife. That was a tremendous inspiration because I wanted to be healthy for her, for us. I wanted to reconnect with my children. I missed them terribly. I had somehow secured a new, very prestigious job, and I knew I had to be on point for that, and I was killing myself. We have a friend that is a physician that recommended it to us. He knew I was struggling with sobriety and recommended Soberlink as another tool in my toolkit, and it galvanized everything for me. It was the light bulb that finally went on. I've used it for 18 months now. I've never had a slip, and I find it to be one of the most effective components of my sobriety. It took me a couple of months to warm up to it, to be truthful. As I grew to understand how important it was on this journey, I started looking at it in a completely different lens. I started looking at the 3 times daily that I reported as 3 opportunities throughout the day to embrace my disease, understand I am on a recovery journey, and I use those moments to reflect on how far I've come in the past 18 months. So the resentment towards it is gone, and now I truly embrace it. I can't imagine having as much success as I've had without using Soberlink. At first, it may not seem like it's the right methodology for you, but I guarantee if you just give it a chance, use it for a couple of months, and then take a look over your shoulder at how far you've come just in those 60 days. It's not going to be the end-all cure-all. It still takes work to become sober, but this is a powerful tool to utilize. I don't think I could recommend it highly enough. My marriage has blossomed. My relationship with my children is intact again. My health is dramatically improved. I feel better emotionally, physically, and spiritually. I'm able to be a productive member of society. I live a totally different life, and I'm grateful every day for it.